Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video, I was telling you that Bitcoin has broken out a falling wedge pattern, and this pattern can be really very helpful. This breakout can be really very helpful for Bitcoin to get out from a downtrend. And right now we can see after breaking out this wedge, it has tested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, even this support of the wedge as well, and now it is geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze, is there any possibility that this move will be continue to the upside, and will Bitcoin get out from a downtrend or not? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, and do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a falling wedge pattern that I was showing you. And I was telling you that this recent swing low can work as a very strong support that we have here on 4-hour time frame chart at $18,850 that the price line tested before this breakout here. And you can see when we had extreme sell-off yesterday, we tested the support of the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. We tested the support of $18,500, $18,850, and also this support of the wedge as well. And we had a long spike to the downside, but could not break down this support, and we are moved up. And by the way, the target for this breakout from this wedge is still due, this move. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $20,400. And we can see that the price line has started this reversal move with the bullish divergence, as the price line has formed lower than previous low, and stochastic is not able to do so. You can see it has formed higher low than previous low. So this reversal has begun with the bullish divergence. Therefore, there is a very high probability that soon Bitcoin will may also hit this target of the wedge. And if we move back to the daily time frame chart, then this is another falling wedge breakout that I have been showing you in my previous videos. We broke out this wedge and we got rejected by this another downtrend line resistance. And here we also have a formation of a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this is the support we are having at $18,500. That is the recent swing low before breaking out this wedge. Therefore, I was telling you that now on the daily time frame chart, we can have this support, very, very strong support, and it can work as a key support for the price line on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that Bitcoin is not breaking down this support so far. By the way, the target for this wedge is still due. We had a move up to $22,781. However, the target for this breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $24,500. And now if the price line moves there to hit this target, then it can also break out this bigger triangle as well. And the target for this bigger triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $34,100. Now, if we switch to the bigger time frame on this weekly time frame chart, then this is a very strong resistance on the weekly time frame chart Bitcoin has found after November 2021, and it is not able to break out so far. Here we had a fake out, but the price then moved back inside this channel. And if we move to the $34,000 to hit the target for this triangle, then you can see we can also break out this bigger channel, and also we can break out this key resistance of $28,600 that had been breaking as a very strong support on this weekly time frame chart. And then we can expect, after breaking out this resistance at $28,600, we can expect that now Bitcoin has started a real bull run, a real bullish move from here, a long-term bullish move. However, so far you can see Bitcoin is still respecting this very strong support zone that is starting from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. It worked as a nice support zone here, and even back here, you can see this level work as a nice support zone from November 2020 to December 2020. And before that, here back in December 2017, this level has been working as a very strong resistance. And so far, so good. Bitcoin is not breaking down this support zone, and there is a possible very big and huge double bottom formation. And by the way, the target after breaking out this big down channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $65,000 to $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.